by the end of 2021, what would you like to accomplish?
Thank you very much, Jim. That's great. What I would like to accomplish in 2021, by the end of the year, what do I want to have done? Now, I am usually pretty good about writing down my goals and trying to achieve them. And one of the ones that I really would like to do is become very experienced at making 3D videos. So I have a special camera that actually has two lenses just where the eyes are, and it actually shoots a stereoscopic video. And this video can be watched in a virtual reality headset, such as the Oculus Quest 2. So I'm very excited about the possibilities of such a new kind of video making. And I have already done some experiments. I put the camera mounted on my dash in my car and drove for half an hour around Vancouver just to see if I'm watching it in VR, does it feel like I'm actually in the car and driving? And it does. It's amazing. The thing that I discovered is that when you're driving and there's a lot of things changing, it's not able to keep up with the compression ratio because it's only a limited amount of information that can be compressed into a small video file. So if you have everything in your image is changing, then it's not able to keep up, so it degrades the quality a lot. But I can see the potential of this technology to create interesting experiences that we can experience at home and go somewhere else virtually and feel like you're actually there. So to me, that's a very exciting new kind of video making that I've been experimenting. Another kind of video that I've been making is the cooking videos. So I put the camera just near my head so that you can get my perspective as I'm cooking. So if I'm dumping the ingredients into my Instant Pot, you can actually see my hands reaching out where your hands would be and putting them in the Instant Pot. To me, that's a very exciting new way of making videos. And by the end of this year, I'd like to have made one video a month in this kind of way, and to see what people think about those videos and getting the feedback from my YouTube viewers would be a wonderful experience. So thanks very much, Jim. I'll turn it back to you. That's my goal, and hopefully if you get a VR headset, you can watch some of my videos as well.
Thank you, Geoff. That's wonderful. You know, I follow you on YouTube, your YouTube channel, Geoff Mobile. You guys should check it out as well, because he upload a lot of the 3D videos been experimenting, and also as well as public speaking as well on his most memorable speeches that he's done in Toastmasters Club.